What is up, Skeleton Gang? Yeah, I'll call you that now because, well, yeah, okay. Today we're unboxing some, Joy-Cons that I got. Uh, I got these because the ones here are broken. Well, not like broken, but like, they're buggy. Okay, so, with a sting would open sesame. Yes, I struggle, okay? Life is terrible. There we are. Should have done this at the beginning. Aha! Got it. Tape right there. So now it's open. Now I can finally open it. It's like bubble wrap. This is so beautiful! So pretty! Oh my god! It feels so smooth! I love this! Oh my god! Yes! Yes! I will be using these. In the meantime, let's pop some bubble wrap. There we go. Alright, whatever. Ooh. Extras! Let's go! Alright. Yeah, I have already two of them for the Joy-Con I have. Oh, yeah. Separate packages, apparently. Then we have these. Two neon Joy-Cons. And it's pretty AF. Alright. Got my Nintendo hat on, my Nirvana shot on. The Nirvana. No, Skeleton Gang, my bad. It's now time to use these for good. We're now about to use our new Joy-Cons. I love these forever, but I now have new ones. I'm sorry, mates. Let's see how these feel. Ta-da. And boom. New Joy-Cons. Let's see how these are. Oh, they paired. Holy crap, this feels so different. Dude. Not even kidding with you. My games. Oh dang, someone gave me a notification. What's here? Friend list. Oh, there he is. God, he took forever to spawn. Sorry, that's like my friend who decided to freaking accept my friend request like months after I already requested him. But now it is time for gameplay. Just kidding. I don't think you guys want that without it being a screen cam. So, until then, Skella Gang, just know I will put this in a grave. Just kidding. No, I won't take it. But still. Until yours next time, Skella Gang.